Good mighty morning, Owls. This is Miss Weiner. Today is Tuesday, May 25th, 2021. Please rise and help me recite the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing and help me recite the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one, indivisible. Now it's time for our Owl Pledge. Say it with me. I will succeed in school with wisdom and with knowledge. I'll give 100%. I will go to college. I'll do whatever it takes, just like my parents do. I'll sweat the small stuff, just like my teachers do. I'll give no excuses. Each and every day, I'll close the achievement gap, working hard in every way. With my team and family, I give my Owl Pledge. I will succeed in school with wisdom and knowledge. Go Owls! Hoot, hoot! Now for a moment of silence. You may be seated. As you know, IDEA South Flores Academy is the best elementary school in the state of Texas. Good things happen here every day. Here's some things that happened yesterday. We saw scholars in third grade reading, making sure they were making an amazing drawing of what they are currently working on. Also, I saw scholars that were making sure that they know their math facts. So nice job planning out trips, making sure that finances were in order for that amazing trip. Great job doing math. Also, making sure and doing your science project. Great job, scholars. Keep up the great work. Remember, ADA still counts, so you need to be at school every day. We're looking for our May winner. Can't wait to see who gets that free pizza. All right, scholars, remember today is Kinder graduation from Kinder. Virtual scholars will drop off their computers from 5 to 5:45, and the ceremony starts at 6 o'clock. It's a scholar plus 2 other guests. Also, you will need to wear your mask for the ceremony. Remember, it's 5th grade on Wednesday and Thursday. All 1st through 4th grade or any other grade level that have not turned in their technology will need to come over to the Academy building from 4 to 6 and turn in your technology. Again, all technology is due by the end of the year. If it is not, we will be charging your parents for your laptops, your tablets, your stylus, your charger, and your covers if you do not turn them in by the last day of school. All right, scholars, it's going to be a great day. Have a great day in school. Hoot, hoot!